If you're trying to decide between GetResponse and Mailchimp, you're in the right place. But before you make a choice, there's something you need to know. One of these platforms might be holding you back, while the other gives you more power for less money. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial that most people don't even know exists. Let's break it down. First, pricing. Mailchimp looks cheaper at first glance, but as your email list grows, it gets expensive fast. GetResponse, on the other hand, offers better value, especially for automation and landing pages, features Mailchimp charges extra for. If you're serious about scaling your email marketing, pricing alone makes a huge difference. Next, automation. Mailchimp's automation is basic and clunky. If you just need a simple welcome email, it's fine. But if you want real marketing automation, like behavior-based triggers, abandoned cart emails, or advanced segmentation, GetResponse blows Mailchimp out of the water. It's built for automation, while Mailchimp feels like it's still catching up. The third thing, deliverability. Mailchimp is notorious for strict policies that can get your account flagged or even suspended if your emails get too many bounces. GetResponse gives you more control and flexibility, making sure your emails actually land in inboxes, not spam folders. Then we have landing pages. Mailchimp offers landing pages, but they're bare bones and limited. GetResponse gives you fully customizable landing pages, sales funnels, and even a built-in webinar feature. If you're running a business or growing an audience, that's a game changer. Support. Mailchimp only gives live chat on paid plans, and even then, it's hit or miss. GetResponse offers 24/7 live chat and email support, even on lower tiers, which makes a huge difference if you ever run into issues. So, which one is better? If you're doing basic email newsletters, Mailchimp is fine. But if you want automation, better pricing, and tools to actually grow your business, GetResponse is the clear winner. And here's the best part. We've got an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse, plus some amazing alternatives that might be an even better fit depending on your needs. Just check the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.